Guys, we're playing hide and seek. Boom! No boom, no boom, no boom, no boom, no boom. Hey, you chill. Guys, boys, we're playing hide and seek. We're playing hide and seek.
Hey, don't let him kill.
You, come here. Oh my God, bro.
Yes.
Okay, guys. The seeker. You get any gun you want, seeker. Guys, you only get 2 rockets. You only get 2 rockets.
Green with the red head glasses.
Oh, we only get 2 rockets.
Guys, you only get 2 rockets. 3, 2, 1. Give us 30 seconds. Hide.
1.
Oh my
With
God.
the 4, 5, 6, 7. Yo, Blue, go to 9, 10, 11.
I made him.
I'm going to sewers.
No, you can't go to sewers. You can only stay in the lobby map place.
7, 18, 19, 20, 21,
Oh crap.
22, 23,
Oh crap.
24. Hey, you better go hide, man. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I'm coming for
Oh God.
balls. Shit.
White balls. Oh my God. We're cooked.
So is there like a designated spot where you people have to hide?
No. I'm hunting up White's ball sack.
Ooh, I see balls. Oh, don't you care why? Homie.
This kid's gonna kill me. I know he is. I'm gonna die in like.
Man, this shit is so scary as fuck.
You think this is so?
Nigger.
Bro, don't say that. Oh my God.
Hey, don't be racist anyway.
Oh my God.
Buddy, imagine being a bro, I can hear you. I know you're on the call. I didn't say that anywhere, so what?
Oh my God. Oh
Bro.
my.
Black people. Hey, bro, I don't even know where I'm at. It's good.
Shh.
Alright,
I
Beth.
see one.
I wonder if anyone's in the secret map. I'm gonna lie, you're looking trash. I see somebody. I'm not joking. I see somebody that's peeking down.
Hey.
Hi.
Yo, what's up?
Look, you see me waving.
What's up, bro? What's up?
Yo, bro, oh my God. Did we actually think the same thing?
I just realized.
Yes, I saw something just come through. I'm like, oh, I'm out here.
Somebody's coming
Oh my God.
bad.
Yes.
I was thinking of moving further over
hey,
there.
don't even
I'm gonna add you. I'm gonna add you.
Find somebody
We're
without
done.
trying
Alright.
to.
But,
Just
yeah.
to leave you
Alright, let's move further. Which way should we move further from?
I say this way.
Am I the last one left?
No,
No,
there's
we're
2
still
people still
alive.
hiding.
I see somebody.
This way.
Oh
Yo.
shoot.
Big jump over here.
Oh, I kind of see. Is that coming?
That person's gonna.
It tends to stop in the middle of the video. It's kind of confusing.
Bro,
I have 59 subs. I'm almost at 60.
this is so scary. I actually don't know what's gonna happen if I win.
Okay, I feel like this is cheating.
I mean, it.
Can you hear me?
Channel 2 and not tell anyone else.
Yes, sir. Where are you? I currently split up with him. I found the dam.
found the dam. I'm at the dam.
Okay. I'm so good. Oh, crap. I land right next to the seeker. I have to be quiet.
Yo, I found the dam. Okay. Hope I don't get found. Me and the YouTuber split up. Same here.
I see everybody. Oh my god. I see the seeker.
They are, which is kind of scaring me. I'm so close to being dead, but I'm not.
I see everybody close to me right now.
Yeah, but I'm not.
Do not talk. I see people close to me right now, though.
Oh, Green, come back to safe. Crap. Green, come back to safe zone.
I'm not coming back to safe zone.
Okay. I'm scared. I'm scared. My headset's very low for some reason. Yo, the YouTuber said that he'd friend me after this, though.
There's two ways. Mine and
Oh,
another way.
we're still.
Hey, it's not nice to be. You know, man. It's not nice to be black.
I fell.
You know.
Oh my god.
Did you just blow your? And if I go there, you're gonna know where to go. Hey, man. Oh, I just realized a bunch of glitches.
Yeah, my headset's at 4%.
Green, come back to safe zone, bro.
Then buy me an RPG and I'll tell you. Bet.
I hear somebody with a grappler.
I like
Same here.
but it's not like I have a ton of these. Which one you want to do, the glitch way or the mines way?
And I got a baseball bat to fight back.
Alright. Get yourself a back.
I almost just died. I almost fell in the water.
Make sure to get an umbrella.
Bro, Green, we're
Bro, I'm
finished.
so close to the bombs.
Backpack. And then maybe
Bombs? Yeah.
Yeah, the video ends like right there. So yeah, bye guys.